a while since I posted on here. I figured I'd jump on and say hi, and today we're actually going to be doing a mini vlog of cleaning my whole house, just because it's that time. I always clean Friday, Saturday, but yeah, so let me introduce you to some things, some people, not people, but someone. Okay. This is Zara. She's my Cane Corso Lab mix. She is a PTSD and anxiety alert dog. She's the sweetest little crayon in the box, but also a psychopath. Okay, off. Sit. Yes, stay. Let's go to where you can see her. All right. Center. Yes, sit. Aw. Yeah. That's a good girl, huh? Okay. Shall we clean the house? So it's actually not bad over here. This is the current state, but when you go over here, my kitchen is the one that's a mess. But we're gonna be doing the kitchen today. Well, the whole house, but focusing on the kitchen. But before I do have to take the trash out. So we're gonna take Zara and we're gonna go take the trash out. I'm not gonna show any of that because I don't want to, but we're gonna take the trash out. So I'm out of shape, but trash is out. So now we're gonna clean up this. That's better. We're gonna clean up this mess. Okay, so updates are in order. I got married, I moved to Texas, and I got a dog, obviously. I don't have my business anymore. I miss my business every day, but I am healing my hands, healing my heart, and I am doing fantastic. Like I said, I do miss my business. I'm no longer working as an esthetician at the moment. I do foresee myself doing that in the future. My husband and I have like a 5-year plan for our future that involves me working back in the aesthetics industry. But for now, I'm just a receptionist. Let's finish cleaning. I gotta empty the dishwasher and load the dishwasher. Ugh, that's a daunting part of cleaning the house. I forgot I was recording, but I'm ADHD hard right now. Like, my ADHD is awful. So I just cleaned the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. I have to vacuum because my husband cut his hair and he sucks at cleaning it up. So, gross. Anyway, so I'm gonna vacuum. But I went to go get the vacuum, and then I realized that I didn't finish the dishes, and then I realized that I was recording. So, first things first, I'm gonna go pick up the doo-doo outside from the doggy. Then I'll do the dishes. Okay, trash bag in. Poop picked up. Dishes. Unloading first. All right, so dishes are in the dishwasher. Now we're gonna jump up on the ladder and put this stuff away, and then vacuum. No, we're gonna put these away and switch to the laundry. Huh, Zozo? You were digging, weren't you? It's a little noisy, but I got the next load in the washer and then the bedding in the dryer. We're gonna put these clothes away because they're just basically just jackets, the shoes, and then we're gonna vacuum the whole house, including the mess that my husband left me. But I'm gonna watch an episode of my TV show first. Okay guys, we're back from our little binge watching. Zara was under the bed sleeping, but now she's up and awake and happy. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, I gotta do laundry. You have to stop, but I will be back once the clothes are put away. So super random, but I was thinking that for rodeo season here in Texas, I'm gonna learn how to starch jeans. So if anybody wants to send me a bottle of starch with some instructions on how to starch and an ironing board, that would be great. You wanna go to a rodeo? Wanna go see horses? Okay. Okay. So while I'm waiting for the bedding to be done drying, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the whole house now. And we're just vacuuming today. We're not vac mopping with the Tineco, and we're not mopping regularly. Do you need some attention? Mwah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I thought I had tiny mics, but the tiny mic was for my old phone, not for my new phone. It's got the USB-C instead of the lightning cable. But Zara has to eat, so I can't vacuum until Zara eats, because then she's out of the way. Okay, full house is vacuumed. Call me crazy, but I even vacuumed the couch and the bed before we put the sheets back on. But now I'm gonna wait until the laundry is done, and then we'll put the bedding on and then switch the next load. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye. Goodbye.